Hi everyone, I'm Isabel Rocher, Marketing SVP at AutoStore. You might have seen that we have launched our State of the Market Report 2025 last month, where we surveyed over 300 leaders across warehousing, logistics and retail to understand how the warehouse automation and fulfillment industry is shifting and what it takes to stay ahead. In case you've missed it, here are the key takeaways. Order throughput has officially taken center stage. Speed and volume of order throughput jumped from 8th to the 4th place in terms of priority, showing that the ability to combine speed and precision for high throughput is increasingly a competitive advantage. Automation is no longer emerging, it's expected. Half of all respondents have automated at least 50% of their warehouse operations, and the use of ASRS has more than doubled in just 1 year. Labor challenges haven't gone away. 59% say staffing is more difficult than ever. The leaders? They are using automation to empower people, not replace them. Supply chains remain under pressure. Mentions of shipping delays are up 157%. Agility, scenario planning, and tech integration are now critical to staying resilient. The focus on ESG is rising, with real business impact. Energy efficiency is the #1 initiative for the 2nd year running. Companies are cutting energy use by up to 75%, while lowering emissions and costs. The bottom line? The future belongs to the businesses that are fast, flexible, and sustainable. This report gives you the benchmarks and the blueprint to get there. Download the full report now and let's move the industry forward together.